Are you thinking of becoming a realtor? Or are you a newly licensed real estate agent? Then let us help you by answering some of the obvious questions and walk you through the important facts that can make or break your new real estate career. Getting started as a new realtor can feel daunting. Where to start? How do you win your first client when you have zero experience? How do you generate leads when you have no client success stories to share? Don't worry, we can help, because almost every other agent started out right where you are, and thousands of them have succeeded in building thriving real estate businesses. There is a wealth of knowledge to be learned from them to build a great career. Here are some of the questions we receive on daily basis. How do new real estate agents get clients? Do new real estate agents make money? How much do beginner real estate agents make? Instead of worrying about these questions, let me point you on the right direction and explain what we can help you with to achieve a great career. A successful real estate career can be a delicate balance of doing the right things at the right times. Whether you're about to get your real estate license or you're already beginning your career as a real estate agent, you'll need a plan of action. Understand licensing requirements. Get a grip on your personal and business expenses. Have a realistic plan of your income expectations. Develop action, economical and marketing plans. Build your sphere of influence. Choose your sponsoring broker carefully because this is an extremely important step to succeed. Find a mentor. Get your contacts on a proper system right away and kill those time-wasting habits. If you live in Canada or in the United States, and looking for more specific information regarding real estate, or just interested in our 30 minutes free consultation, click on the link in the description below.